Next, let's set up Telegram so we can message our bot from any location. So here I'll type in, let's set up Telegram. Now it's giving us instructions on how to set up BotFather. Now real quick, depending on the AI model that you're using, you could get different responses. So that's just something to consider. Now I know I'm showing you the step-by-step video, but the AI may respond different just because, you know, it's AI. So I'll go ahead and open up my Telegram. So this is the BotFather user for Telegram. And this essentially is where you can create new bots. So here I'll put new bot. Now obviously you can see I've made tons of bots before. Here I'll go ahead and give my bot a name. Next, it'll ask us to create a username. So I'll just put Daryl Wilson _ bot. Cool. So now we have the API token. So I'll go ahead and just copy this and then let them know this is the API token. Okay, there's the API token. I'll go ahead and send this message. All right, next, you'll see that OpenClaw might have kicked you out. Now, this is a very common thing. You're gonna see this a lot. This happens when OpenClaw configures your config file. Anytime OpenClaw adjusts your config file, it will close automatically. OpenClaw may fix that in the future, but that's how it is for right now. So you'll have to reopen OpenClaw. So to do that, I'll just click on Open, and then we'll paste in our gateway token. Then I'll click on Login. Okay, so once we come back, you'll see that it was successfully applied. And again, this happens because whenever there is a configuration change, OpenClaw will reset. So let's go back to our Telegram bot. Next, it'll let us know it's not configured. Now, what I do recommend here is just to copy and paste this entire message and give it to OpenClaw. So I'm gonna copy this, and then we're gonna go back to OpenClaw, and then we're just gonna tell it that this is the response. So I put, this is the response from Telegram, and I just pasted that same message right here. So I'll just go ahead and run this message. And just like that, the bot is now connected. Now, in order to actually test this out, we're just going to write a message. So I'll put hello, and let's see if it responds to me. And just like that, the bot is now connected, and we can send messages directly to OpenClaw from Telegram. So at this point, OpenClaw is now set up and ready to go.